Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Budapest. The good news, we have arrived with 5 minutes ahead of schedule. Thank you. You may now use your electronic devices for calls, messaging and internet access. Please keep your seatbelt fastened and remain seated until the seatbelt sign is off. Take all your personal belongings with you. Don't forget your mother's, husband, kids, nothing on board, please. You can leave cash if you want. Take care when opening the overhead lockers in case anything falls out. And please respect social distancing and allow time and space for others as you leave the aircraft. Smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated area. And being responsible for our impact on the planet is important to easyJet. That's why we offset the carbon emissions from all fuel used on our flights by investing in projects globally. So thank you for flying with us today. Happy New Year's and see you very soon.